how to be an ACCA member. सो फर्स्टली ये समझते हैं कि कोई भी प्रोफेशनल बॉडी का मेंबर बनना क्यों ज़रूरी है. नाउ एनी प्रोफेशनल कोर्स दैट यू आर डूइंग, वेदर योर CA, वेदर योर CFA, वेदर इट्स ACCA, the end objective of after having completed that course is to seek membership of that particular professional body. Okay, now being a member का मतलब होता है being a part of that community of professionals who have finished that qualification and who are day in and day out living that qualification in various roles, right? Now you become a part of that community, you become a part of that family, whether locally or globally, and you are constantly in touch with that professional body throughout your life. Okay, which means that professional body that you're a part of, जैसे आप CA institute के member हो, ICI के, आप ACCA के member हो, they want you to do well, they want you to thrive, right? They want you to make name, they want you to do good work. So they are constantly in the process of wanting you to upgrade your skills. So आपको networking events में invitation आएगा, training events में invitation आएगा, you will constantly be send some or the other publication of that particular body to stay updated with the events that are happening. So this professional body, in other words, will be in touch with you. It will give you a platform to network with members of that body throughout your life and basically harness and make the most of all opportunities that come your way. Okay, तो basically आप कोई भी professional course कर रहे हैं, the goal is clear कि आपको उसका member बनना है. Now हर member बनने का process अलग अलग होता है हर body का, and if I talk about ACCA, it's a 3-step process. Step number 1 is you have to complete all your papers. Now whether you're giving 13 papers, 6 papers, 4 papers, depending on whichever exemption route you're a part of or not a part of, you have to first complete till the last paper. That's step number 1. Step number 2 in ACCA is you have to finish a compulsory online EPSM, Ethics and Professional Skills module. Now this is an online self-study module on ethics and professional skills, and it gets over very quickly. So typically we advise students to finish this while you're pursuing the qualification. आपका skills level जैसे ही खत्म हो जाए and you're into professional level, it's best to take it up and finish it. It's a self-learning module. And number 3, which is very, very important, is documenting your PER, which is practical experience requirement. Now, obviously, ACCA doesn't just want you to learn things theoretically. They also want you to apply it and see how things happen in reality. So they want you to document 36 months of your relevant work experience, with them, and show or demonstrate to ACCA what you've learned and what skills you've got on the way. Now, there is obviously an entire framework, a structure to this, और हमने एक बहुत detailed video बनाया on PER. The link is flashing on your screen, so you can please go there and check out PER if you need to. But that is what you need to finish, and then you are a member of the professional body. For more questions on how to ace your qualification, how to clear all your papers in the first attempt, how to start your PER and get that first job, write to us. We are very happy to help.